Hi students, it's Mrs. Bowles and we're going to go over how to color your periodic table, your blank one that I gave you in class. So this is a video to help you do that. So first of all, start with your blank table. I'd like you to go through and go ahead and label all the elements whose symbols you already know from your blank periodic table. So go ahead and write in any of the ones you already know, probably all the way up to 50. You're probably ready to go with that. And then we'll start coloring. So with the coloring, what you're going to do is you're going to choose a color. It doesn't have to be the colors I have labeled here, but you're going to choose a color for each group or family. So keep in mind that on the periodic table, the families are in columns and the periods go across horizontally. So you're going to choose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different colors. So stop the video until you have 7 colors and then you can go about beginning to color this. So we're first going to choose one color to go and color hydrogen with. Hydrogen is up here on the upper left-hand corner, and we actually want to put a circle around that and separate it away. Notice hydrogen does not have the same properties as the other elements below it, starting with lithium. Lithium, sodium, potassium, and so on, rubidium, cesium, francium. Those guys are called the alkali earth metals. So hydrogen is separate. And then we have the alkali earth metals below it. So color those one color and make yourself a little legend here at the bottom where you go ahead and place for yourself a little legend that says yellow is the alkali metals. Red on this particular one is the alkaline earth metals. It's the second column or column 2 in the periodic table, the alkaline earth metals. All right, so write in the symbols and then color the various families. Remember, a family is a column. Go ahead and write this on your table as well. A period is a row, and those go horizontally. A column is a family or a group. So we call this group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4, group 5, all the way down to group 18. Okay? And the reason why it's called periodic is because properties repeat every period as you go across. The next period has similar properties as you go along. So we've got hydrogen, we've got the alkali metals, we've got the alkaline earth metals. All of these here that are blue on this table, these are called transition metals or transition elements. So fill those in. Also, these guys down here are considered transition metals or transition elements. The next ones you're going to need to do are called the metalloids. The metalloids start right here with boron. So it goes boron here, silicon, germanium, arsenic, antimony, tellurium. These guys, there are 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I normally don't do this element, the student colored. There are 6 metalloids, and they have semi-metal properties. Leave the rest of these white. And then here you have this family. Family number 1 to 17 is called the halogens. This person did them brown. Don't forget to add them to your legend. And then the last family here, where helium is at the top, is called the noble gases. Noble gases. Now, if you notice, there's a little star here on your periodic table that belongs here. This part of the table down here actually belongs here. So it would stick in there, but that would make the table really wide at the bottom. It's not really written that way, and so they wrote them down below. In fact, it was a scientist by the name of Mr. Seaborg, Glenn Seaborg, Dr. Seaborg. He actually redesigned the table to put them down below. So this first row of those is called the lanthanides, L-A-N, lanthanides, T-H-A-N-I-D-E-S. And the one right below it is called the actinides. So they belong here and here on the periodic table. So those are also part of the transition elements. So you notice that starting at the staircase here, everything to the left is a metal. Those are all metals to the left. On the right of the staircase are the nonmetals, and the stairs are the metalloids. So you should know now metals, nonmetals, metalloids, and the family names. What do we call the ones that are white? The ones that are white are just called other nonmetals over here. And these are called other metals. You don't need to worry about naming those though. That's what I want you to have as you color your periodic table. Thank you. Good luck. Don't forget to finish the coloring and make your legend here. All right. Good luck.